You also come. Can you pick up? Yes. Want to come? You come. Can you pick up another one? Oh, you all do it. Face me, face me. How to face me? You all to do this? But make that. But if you are told to move a bigger thing, this is heavy. What do you do? Can you do this? Can you push this? No. Try to do this. No, this one, this side, or that side. No. Okay. 10 of you come. 10 of you. 1. Okay, stop. Now come this side. Come this side. All of you try to push this. Push. Try to push. Stop. Stop. You could do this. Go back. Go back. You all could see small things you can do. But for bigger things, you need to be united. That's very important. You have seen small thing, that toy, you can easily lift up. Any individual could lift up. But for the heavy thing, you are not able to even move it. But when you are united, it's a workforce of a group of people. You could do this, you could move this, right? So, do you understand the importance of unity? So, whenever you are joining hands with others, your workforce multiplies many times, right? So, remain united at all the times, right? All.